what's that? She asked me, what's that? I said like this.
Why you're speaking so much English?
Because I like.
But you're Ilonggo.
If I'm big, I'll speak Ilonggo.
But now you're small, you speak English.
Yep. If I'm big.
Why?
You're a foreigner?
Huh?
Are you a foreigner?
Yep.
Are you a foreigner?
I'm just speaking.
Do you know what is foreigner?
I don't know.
Foreigner is a kind of a foreign that affairs.
Dito lang ko sa'yo.
Do you know what is foreign?
Tubangan mo na sa English. Yung nakahibilog daw.
Wait, there's no holes in this letter.
Why did you not go to school?
I go to school already. You didn't see me.
Do you know?
Abi ko nga po na